Hello, hello. Welcome to Shady&Why. I'm Marilyn, and today we have a ThredUp DIY designer box. Fingers crossed. This is a good one. It is from Arizona. I rarely get things from Arizona. I've already cut the tape. If you haven't been here before, my name is Marilyn, my husband's name's Barry, and we are resellers. On Fridays, we do all kinds of different things. Today, ThredUp designer box. What ThredUp is an online consignment store. You send in your items, either you don't want them back, or I think you have to pay maybe to get them back. I'm not sure on that. Discount that because I don't know. But what they do is they put them in the ThredUp boxes if they have too many of them, or there's DIY issues, meaning there's generally something wrong with them, or they just have too many in stock of that. I already cut the tape on this, as I said. It's from Arizona. It's really a heavy box, so it's a little nerve-wracking, but let's give you first yikes, sweater and jacket right off. Being in Florida, yikes. Let's put that down. I purchased this on March 8th, $140, no shipping on these, anything over $100, I believe it is. And we do pay sales tax in the state of Florida, so I believe it was right around that $150 mark, and March 8th. All right, fingers crossed. The first thing I see is a stained, you see it all across the front, sweater, and it is a Sandro, really dirty here. Says it is a size 1. It is blue on the back, gray on the front, with a faux like mock 2 sweater system, and it feels wool, but definitely needs to be cleaned, and it also needs to have sweater balls, whatever you call it. Okay, it says Sandro, Paris, France. It's cashmere. Okay, 90% wool and 10% cashmere. Okay, so just black on the, blue on the back, gray on the front, with the blue being a little longer. I did find the Sandro sweater. This one is not color blocked the way ours is, but it is the layered look. They have $48, and if anybody's interested, we will do $30 for this one. Yeah, no, I don't like clothes, and so far I'm seeing lots of clothes in this one, and they're jackets and sweaters, so oh well, you win some, you lose some. I find this as a just a mystery fun box. So there's going to be some good stuff in it. There's going to be not so good stuff. So the next thing we have, goodness, it is full of clothes, is a Phillip. I have no idea what that name is. It says 3.1. It's a size 0. It's a jacket, a cute zipper jacket. It, let's see if it has another tag. Oh, here, maybe I can read the, it's either Philippe or Phillip Lim, L-I-M. It is, let's see what the fabric is, made in China. It is 62% cotton, 38% linen, and the lining is 100% cotton. This is so cute. So here's the front. Let me zip it up. It might be easier. This is about as close as I can get to a linen cotton blend without a collar, even though ours is zippers and really a lot boxier and cooler. It looks like all their linen and cotton jackets look to be listed for around $130. So on ours, if anybody's interested, I will do $80. It is a nice jacket, really cool. And Phillip Lim is great, and they new are in the $600 range. However, on the resale, you're probably going to be around the $100 range. Anyway, I'll figure it out. But it's a zipper that goes up at the top, and then it also goes at the bottom. So there it is. Lots of little zippers, and then on the back, it looks like so. Isn't that cute? And it zips up the back, so it's open also. Like a short jacket. That's cute. All right, not hating that one. Okay. Not that I hated the first one. More clothes. So we have a Prada jacket. Like so. And it says made in Italy. It's definitely black. It is hidden snaps. And they're all there. I'm not seeing, oh, there. It's a size 46. And it says it is 90% polyester and 10% elastane. Made in Italy. But it's cute, especially with the zigzag stitching and small little pockets. So that's cute. Not hating it. And I did find the Prada blazer on the RealReal. It says it is from 2006, and they're calling that vintage. And they have the price with 30% off of $171.50. So not bad. So if anybody's interested, I will do $100 on the Prada blazer. We have a Kenzo Paris large sweatshirt, like so. The back is fine. The front is fine, just says Paris. Large. So this should be cotton. Made in Portugal. And it's 100% cotton. So this is like the winter box. This one took forever to find, but I did find it. It is on eBay. However, it is being shipped from the Ukraine for $15, and it says expect delays, but it is $60. And if anybody's interested, we will do $40 for it. All right, so that is 4. And we have our very first small, what is this called again? I can't remember. Longchamp. This one is a cute color, but it's stained, like right here. And the corners are completely holes. So this is not good. I mean, it is dirty. And it does have the Longchamp on the back with, so I mean, it's not horrible. It needs to be cleaned. Maybe I'll send it in for the repairs. I never did that, so just to see how it is. But it's a small bag. It's a cool color, so that might not do bad. I'm always surprised at how popular these bags are. I got a blue one. It was a large one. And I think my very second box ever, like years ago. These are Vera Wang lavender, and they're gold with rhinestones, and amazingly, there is no missing rhinestones that I can see right off. These have been used quite a bit. Somebody loved these. Leather upper, leather lining. But I mean, they loved them so much, there's no size. I'm gonna say they're somewhere around a 6, because I wear an 8, and they're too short on me. So I think they're about a 6, 6.5. So those are cute.
Okay, here are the Vera Wang lavender label. People love them and they just wear them out. But it looks like 50 to 60 is the true range on these. So sadly, I don't think this is one of our high dollar items. However, they are adorably cute. So if anybody's interested, I will do 35 on these.
So those aren't bad. And then the next ones we have are Ferragamos. And they're these are cute. So these are Ferragamos. And they're pink quilted leather with a bow and the Ferragamo gold. And then it has like tennis shoe bottoms. But I love the quilting leather. That's cute. Let's see what size these are. These are also 6.5 medium. So I'm pretty sure. Okay, so these are 6s and these are 6.5. Those are cute. I wish they both were my size. I would keep them. But they're patent leather here and on the toes. So those are cute.
And the Salvatore Ferragamos, these are adorable. The quilted flats. Definitely this is the best thing in the box. And they're going for $249. If somebody's interested, I will do $180 on these, and ours are in really excellent condition. So these are adorable, and everything I keep looking at, it does look like they're flats that are with the bows and stuff seem to be coming back very well. So that's good to know.
But those are cute. So we have the Vera Wang, the Ferragamos. These are the cutest Ferragamos I've seen. And then we have the Longchamp bag. So that's 3. The sweatshirt that has a lot of pilling, 4. The Prada jacket, 5. The Phillip Lim jacket, 6. And the dirty sweater by Sandra is 7. So not bad because it has flat shoes. Sadly, they're not my size. So what did you think? Let me know. I have one more box coming, and then I might take a little breather and get some of these listed before I buy more. I'm horrible about not listing them. So if you see anything you're interested, definitely send us an email to oneshadymY@gmail.com. Hope you are doing wonderful, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.